Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about data frame in pandas. In the last class I have discussed about series in pandas. Okay, so here data frame is used to accept two-dimensional data, whereas series is used to accept one-dimensional data. Okay, so series is used to accept one-dimensional data and it stores like column wise. Okay, so one dimensional data is stored in column wise in series, whereas in two dimensional data the data is stored in table wise. Okay, so here it is used to accept a collection of two dimensional data structure, and data is aligned in a tabular fashion, which means rows and columns. Okay, so here the features of data frame. Potential columns are of different types. So here size is mutable. Series size is immutable, which means we cannot perform any insertion operations and deletion operations in series, whereas in data frame we can perform insertion operations as well as deletion operations. Okay, that is mutable. Next, labeled accesses. So here labels are provided for row wise as well as column wise. Okay, next we can perform arithmetic operations on rows and columns. So these are the features of data frame. Next, so the syntax for creating data frame is pandas dot data frame. So here data frame is a function which is used to create the data frames in pandas. Okay, so data frame is a inbuilt function in pandas, so that's why pandas dot data frame. And next it contains the parameters, those are data. Data is used to represent the elements. Okay, and next index. So indexes are nothing but labels. Next columns. So what are the columns? Data type, and next copy. So these are the different types of parameters. Let's see the parameter description. Data. Data takes various forms, like we can create the data by using arrays, series, map, list, dictionaries, constant, and also another data frames. Okay, next one is index. So index is used to represent the index values. So by default it will take 0 to n minus 1, that is size minus 1. Okay, columns is for column labels. The optional default syntax is np dot arrange of n. That means by default the columns are 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. Okay, next data type is used to specify the data type for each column. Okay, for example if we take student number, student name. Okay, student number, student name. So student number is integer data type, and student name is string data type. So here data type is taken column wise. Okay, next copy. So these are the parameters. Next, creating data frame. So how to create one data frame? We can create one data frame by using list, tuples, set, dictionary, arrays, and series. Okay, so let's take creating an empty data frame. Okay, so I already told that data frame is a function which is used to create data frame. Data frame function is an inbuilt function in pandas. So that's why first we need to import pandas as pd, and after that pd dot data frame. So here data frame is a function, pd is a library. So I'm creating one empty data frame because there is no data, and so I'm storing in df. The data is storing in df. Next I'm printing df. Df does not contain any values because we are creating one empty data frame. Okay, next one is creating a data frame from list. Okay, so here we can create a data frame by using list. So here data frame can be created by using a single list or list of list. Okay, so this is list, right? This is one list because list elements are represented within square brackets. So 1, 2, 3. So this is one list. I am creating one more list, 3, 4, 5. So this is known as This is one list, this is another list. So if we keep these two lists in one more list, this is known as list of list. Okay, we can create a single list or by list of list. Next, creating a data frame from dict of arrays or dict of list. Okay, so this is a dictionary. Dictionaries are used to represent Dictionaries are represented in curly braces or flower braces, and dictionaries contain keys and values. So I am taking one key A and values are 1 2. Okay, 1 2. Next I am taking one more key and the values are 3 4. Next I am taking one more key and the values are 4 5. So here this is one dictionary because it contains keys and values and that is enclosed in flower braces. Next, this is a list. So dict of list. Okay. Next, we can create a data frame from list of dictionaries. Okay. So the list contain dictionaries is known as dict of dictionaries. Next, creating a data frame from dict of series. Okay, so this is dictionary. And what is a series? Series is a pandas function which is used to arrange the elements in column wise. Okay, so if you want to create a series, what is the syntax? Pd dot series of 1 2 3 comma pd dot series of 4 5 6, like that. So let's see the example. So first I am creating a data frame from list. Okay, so I am creating a data frame from list. So data is equals to, so what is list? First of all, list is a collection of heterogeneous collection of elements, and that elements are enclosed between square brackets. Okay, so this is one list. Alex and 10, Bob 12, Clock 13. Okay, so here 1 2 3 lists are there and 3 lists are enclosed between one more list. So this is known as list of list. So here the output is, this is the output: Alex, Bob, Clark. Okay, and next, so this is list of list. I am storing in one data variable. Next we need to create one data frame. So that's why pd dot data frame, and here I am giving data. Data contain Alex 10, Bob 12, Clark 13. Okay. Next I am taking columns, parameter column. Okay. So I am taking column as name and age. Now name and age are two columns. In the name place Alex, Bob, Clark, 10, 12, 13. So if you didn't specify column, so it will take 0, 1. Okay, and the index values are 0, 1, 2 because no index values are specified here. Okay, next, creating a data frame dict of list. Okay, so in dictionary we need to specify the list. Okay, so dictionary contains keys and values. The keys are name and age. Values are Tom, Jack, Steve, Rocky, 28, 34, 29 and 42. So it will create two columns, name. So here it will take names, keys as column names. So here keys are name comma age, and next values are values, Tom, Jockey, Jack, Steve, like this. And here 28, 34, 29 and 42. Okay, and here I am creating one data frame. So that's why pd dot data frame of data, I am giving this data. So here columns are name and age, and index values are 0, 1, 2 because no index is specified. Okay, after that I am creating a data frame from list of dictionaries. So in list you need to provide the dictionary. Dictionary contains keys and values. Okay, so here I am creating data frame and giving data. Okay, data contain list of list of dictionaries. Okay, and after that creating a data frame with list of dictionaries. Okay, with row indexes as well as column indexes. Here list of dictionaries. In list it contains dictionaries. Okay, and I am giving index values first and second, and column names A comma B. Okay, for A the value is 1, for B the value is 2, for A the value is 5, for B the value is 10, for C the value is 20. Okay, so here one more column, that is C. Here no value is there, that's why it will take not applicable. Okay, NA, not a value. Next, creating a data frame from dict-of series. Okay, dict-of series. In dictionary, you need to specify the series. So, 1 is a key and pd dot series of 1, 2, 3. 1 is a column name. Keys are taken as column names. So, 1, 2, 3 are the values, and after that, one more key, that is 2. The values are 1, 2, 3. Okay, so here the index values are A, B, C, and here one more variable, that is 4. Okay, so for 2 there is a 4, and here D, here no value is there, so that's why NA, not a value. So let's see the output. Creating a data frame from dict of list. So name, age are 2 columns. These are the values. Okay, so index values are 0, 1, 2, 3 like this. And creating a data frame from list of dictionaries. Okay, so here A, B, C are there, and 1, 2 not applicable. Okay, not a value. And then 5, 10, 20.0. Okay, next creating a data frame with the list of dictionaries. Okay, A, B are columns, and first, second are index values. Okay, 1, 2, 5, 10. Next, A, B are columns. Here 1 not applicable, not a value, and 5 not a value, or the values. Okay, creating a data frame from dict of series. So 1, 2. So here 1, 2, 3 are elements. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 are elements. There is no value for 1. So that's why it will take not a value. Okay, so by this, in this way we can create the data frames by using list of list, dict of list, list of dicts. Okay, and dict of series, and by using two-dimensional arrays like this. Okay, I hope it is clear. If you have any doubts regarding to this video, please comment me in the comment section. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.